Today I am cutting and dyeing my hair. I'm so excited because I've been with this hair for the longest time ever now. I bleached it, but then I left it like that. I don't know why. I also just want a hair that I won't go out and just wear my wigs, because I've been wearing my wigs for a while now, like literally every single day, because I hate this hair. I hate it so much.
Love rain down on me, down on me. Love rain down on me, down on me. Love rain down on me, down on me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be showing you guys this purple glittery look. Surprise, surprise, I changed my hair. I cut it so short. I will be explaining why, so keep on watching. So you guys are probably wondering, like, what the heck happened to me? Like what made me decide to do this look and why I cut my hair. My hair was literally so damaged, it just needed a change. I've done it before. It has been a year now, so my hair grew pretty fast, at least that's what I think. And it was not like I was actually really great. I was actually really scared because I've never gotten platinum. Like, I've never gotten this white. I get so bored easily with my hair, so I felt like I needed a change. I'm a type of person that gets super bored with literally every look. I could only have like a certain look for a certain time. After that, I'm just like, I want to change it. So I decided to cut it, and I actually really like it. I think it matches my personality for some reason. I am kind of crazy, but not crazy. And by crazy, I mean I'm literally down for anything. I don't hesitate, and I'm not like scared of anything. Scared to do anything new. I'm pretty adventurous. But it feels weird, and I got makeup all over this now. In the morning I woke up with like a mohawk, and you guys are probably freaking out because you guys are like, what the hell happened to her hair? In transition color, I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here. So the reason why I did this color was because I've always wanted platinum, and my hair was super short, so there was no way I was gonna keep it that long, and I had bleached it so many times. Last year I actually had, my hair was falling off, and that's the time where I was like, I have to get a haircut. I can't leave it like this, and I did it. It was actually on my birthday. So no, I'm wrong. It was actually a day after my birthday. But trust me, if you guys think I'm crazy, I am, as in I love crazy fashion and I just love crazy looks. I'm literally all for that. I am now going ahead with my Luminous concealer by Becca in light, and I am gonna do a cut crease with my brush. I just got foundation on my jean jacket. Great. And we're gonna do like the half crease. I hate talking during this part because I feel like I have to concentrate so much on this. I am now gonna use the same palette, and I'm gonna be using this color right here. It's like a shimmery light purple, and I'm gonna apply it to my cut crease. Like I said in my first video, I haven't been doing videos just because I actually had something for you guys, but it didn't happen. It went all wrong, and I'm not gonna do it. I haven't actually been in a mood to do any videos. I haven't been inspired, or actually I should say motivated to do any videos, and I actually haven't done my makeup. I think last week was literally the only day I did my makeup. This whole week I haven't done my makeup at all, and I've been feeling kind of moody because of girl problems like my period and stuff, but also I have been having like coffee withdrawals and I just hate it. I think it's that, but I also think it's like stress, and I didn't work out for like 4 days. I just went to work out one day and I just wanted to get all this stress out. And my eye has been twitching for like a week now. It doesn't matter what time of the day, I always want coffee. It doesn't even wake me up at all, or I just love coffee. You can feed me Mexican and Asian food all day and I'll be so happy. I am now going in with this purple, dark purple on my outer corner. And if you guys didn't know, I did my eyebrows like always by Anastasia, Beverly Hills Dip Brow and dark brown. I don't know if to like let into my eyebrows or not, but kind of gives it like a little pop, you know, if I just kept like dark brows. Wants to be my Valentine, let me know. With my Luminous concealer by Becca in light, if you guys didn't know. I already concealed this part, but okay. Going in with the light purple now. Now the darkish purple in the inner corner. I am now curling my lashes. I hate putting on my contacts first and then doing my makeup because I literally get glitter or shadow inside my eye and it feels so dry. And if you guys didn't know, you guys can buy these from TTD eye contacts and you guys can get a discount. Use code I am Leslie Reyna. Now I'm gonna apply my mascara, and this was the Lauder Sumptuous Knockout. Now I am applying a little bit of this purple glitter. I bought these on Amazon. I bought a whole bunch of packs. And this is actually my first time using this, so I don't know how it works. A little bit on there, a little bit right here. I am now applying my lashes by Eyelure in 126. And you guys, I love these. I don't know if it's this coffee thing that's happening or stress, but literally my eye won't stop twitching at all. And now it's just normal to me. Like if you're super close talking to me, my eye will be twitching. People are like, what the heck? Why is your eye twitching? And I'm like, yeah, it's been like that for over a week now. And it's so annoying. Like it doesn't bother me anymore. It's the point where it's just supposed to be there now, like normal. I'm going to set my face with the Mercier baking powder and just apply under my eyes right here. Also on my laugh lines, because your girl laughs too much and just smiles so much. So if I'm on a date, I don't want these freaking creases. He's gonna be thinking like I'm a freak or something. Like, why are you laughing so much? I am now applying my Fuego by Colors, the collaboration with Desi Perkins, and I absolutely love this highlighter. I'm almost done with it. Bam. You guys already know this is my favorite part. I have to clean my hair before I leave because I have like makeup stains in my hair. I would never think I would get that, but yeah. We have dark hair, it's okay. I've been eating these all day. They're my favorite. But I could only eat so many because it's so hot. And I'm one of those people that like their Cheetos. For my lips, I am using the Sepia lip gloss. So that was my finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys use this look for like a Valentine's Day look. I am actually just going to eat. It's not Valentine's Day yet, but I guess you guys could use this look. I'll be leaving exactly the products I use for this look in the description down below. If you guys enjoyed this look, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also for my freaking hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!